Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, a couple of clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that walks through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which one am I using? All that is found at the link you can see there at the top of the screen. I'll also put it down in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your own capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely be sure to check that out. So I will go ahead and pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. Right now, I am looking for a potential break up here through this yellow line. And first target right up there, the dotted yellow line, which is the VWAP. I should also note that technically I'm starting slightly green on the day. That was a trade I took on oil. The nice thing about futures is they're open essentially around the clock, 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So if you have a busy schedule, there's I would assume there's be some time for you to still find a moment to trade. No pattern day trading rule, so you don't need a bunch of capital. There's just a lot of good things going on, but that is where technically that green is coming from. So nothing big. That was a very just kind of, I mean, I guess that trade worked, but not really. But anyways, plan right now, looking for a breakout of that yellow line. And then that first target is the VWAP. And I know sometimes people ask about the private community, so I'll just kind of map that out here. Here is where it's mapped out, watching the yellow line for a breakout first target, dotted the line. If that fails, maybe boom time. So you have to price get up to the yellow line and then push up through the dotted yellow line, which is VWAP. If we can get through there, do we really see a boom come? We'll have to see. I don't know. This is live. I'm recording myself right now, so I don't know what's coming next. So I'm not playing dumb. I don't know. Maybe this is about to look really stupid. Maybe I'm about, to buy this breakout and then it just completely dumps. I don't know, but we'll see. Maybe we'll be seeing what happens here in a second. Is it going to come up here? I preferred it to stay below for a little bit while longer. Okay, I'm in. I guess I got a partial fill out. Oh, no. So what happened was I tried to cancel out my order to cancel it out, but this yellow line here, which is my annotation, I was clicking on the annotation instead of actually clicking on the thing, and whoops. So still made 450 on it. But again, like I said, I was trying to cancel that out. I'm like, okay, let me, what am I doing? Let me give this thing some more room. And then it shot up through there. But, well, there it is. So the first target was hit, although not really a boom yet. Still may come, but always good one. Initial target. Well, there's some more follow through there. Oh, that's annoying. Embarrassingly annoying. That may have to be the topic of this one. Embarrassingly annoying. Again, so when I had this order in and I went to, I'll put it right down here, see if we can. So I went to click on it and I couldn't quite get it because I accidentally clicked on the trend line instead. So, oh crap, it's happening right now. Look at this. I'm trying to cancel it, but see? All right, let me just do this then instead. So that's exactly what happened there. So that's kind of one of the downsides here. Might try a pullback here to this area here. So kind of a momentum pullback and then see if it wants to keep on grinding here. But I'll go ahead and pause for now. But yeah, that was embarrassing. I will pause. All right, I'm going to go for a long right here. I think this thing might have another breakout in it. So if that green line turns blue, I am in. As it pulls back here. Just watching. All right, I'll pause. All right, coming down right now, but see if we can get a turnaround here. All right, well, I'm just going down. Move my new order right here to get long if it wants to come back up. If that green line turns blue, I'm in. Only willing to buy if it comes back up. I'm not going to try to catch the knife down there or anything. Well, it is just dropping right now. Wow. Okay. Well, at least I didn't just try to go long anywhere around here. Those would all have been losing trades. I'm glad I waited for confirmation by putting the requirement that the price needed to bounce first. So that helps. What to start? Not what I was thinking. I was obviously thinking maybe a breakout up here, but I will try a long down here though. That pivot point. See if we bounce up off of there. Move it down some more now. And this is a pivot point. Pretty close to a bounce. Might look for a short now as it bounces back up. Yeah, right here. Taking a little breath within the momentum. Let's see if it wants to resume with the momentum back down, if it comes back down. That red line turns blue, I'm in. Here we go, maybe. No. Okay, I'm in. See it come back down. Come back down. Come on. Come on, momentum. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on, bears, take back over. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How did I not get filled there? Come on. Got it, but you know, even now, maybe it lets loose, but goodness. Okay. Yeah. Finally did, but I thought when it came back down, I probably held that longer than I should have. I probably should have cut that either for just a smaller win than what I got, either break even or a small little losser, because it was putzing around there longer than what I thought it should have. But even now, yeah, that's not totally what I was thinking, but ultimately it did work out. And overall, yeah, I mean, fine. I don't want to come across as ungrateful for the numbers down here, but yeah, just thought I was going to get a little bit more from it. But please tell me I was recording that whole time. There we go. All right, well, there it kind of goes. Oh, well, it is what it is. I'll take it. I don't want to complain too much, but you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and call it good, even though that first trade was very embarrassing. But hey, you know what? Welcome to the life of a trader. Before I go, though, I do want to invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you're a beginner trader, maybe you're struggling in your journey, then definitely get signed up for the class. I'm very confident this will give you some things to think about and consider in your journey. If you're a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, you're welcome to attend. I'm not quite sure you'll really get anything from it, but if you're in the category of, like I said, somebody that's just getting started, or maybe you're not really a new trader, but you are struggling, then very confident, like I said, this class will give you some things to think about. So go to claytrader.com/live. or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out. Make sure to hit that like button. I'll see you back in the next one.